is nuts. At that point, the most dangerous thing in the world to him is another great horned owl because it flies just as quiet as he does. You'll never hear it coming forward, but you'll literally hear anything else around him. So his ears are still operating 100%, so it becomes his other supers.
How do they know that this is
They are.
Right, so they would go there with the falconer, so with their handler, and they would strategies chasing birds around.
He squeezes 250 pounds per square inch with two toes. 500 pounds per square
It
inch.
could be a small lizard, it could be a big jackrabbit, or even rattlesnake. This is a desert bird.
How old is
and
he?
eat
Built
pretty
by
much
nature.
anything you can find.
How old is he?
9.
9. What's his name?
Radar.
You probably can, yeah. So anything that moves in deserts is something that
That's why I think why we have dinosaurs, right? Just separated everybody else from the other part
when
of
he
the
wants
world.
to. I can't really make him do what he doesn't want to do.
What do y'all normally feed him in though?
He gets, with us, he gets small children. A lot here in the ground. He also gets to eat mice, chicken, and quail.
You said earlier.
Part of it is because he flies so quiet, he can literally, and his wings are so massive, he can actually travel across the ground here slightly over 2 miles an hour.
And the raptor princess, the girls are always bigger than the
So it's like a stealth bomber coming in, but you were just given weaponry in the size.
There
of
is
his-
the bay-winged hawk.
largest of its
See that
kind
stripe
in
on the
owls
end?
in the Americas.
That's one of his tail feathers. These are both quite firm. You can feel
The
it.
only thing that's bigger feet
Feel
than him
firm?
is hence the name.
And this is an owl feather. Feel how soft that is in comparison. So that's going to be completely silent. So this was from a falcon. It's not here today. So falcons are the fast ones. And there's going to be very firm, and it's going to come to that point.
all feathers and hollow bones.
But they're just not as wide.
Anything faster than the falcon and the like eagle group?
No, the falcon's the fastest. So that's the fastest animal in the world.
Say cheese.
Is it like a bird faster than it or no?
No other bird is as fast as the falcon.
Even on the land? Is it cheetah?
On land,
Enjoy the rest of your day.
cheetah be fast on land, so they're not going to be that fast running, but they're going to be fast in a dive.
This is Rudy. He's our
Are they
13-year-old
faster than
All that the nature.
cheetahs?
bringing both him and his brother to go bird.
There's a reason
So Rudy worked at a blueberry farm.
for
And over there, his job was to fly around and chase away the smaller birds that tried to eat our blueberries.
Fine, I go. Okay,